Hi friends, welcome to Delicacies on the Plate. Today I am going to make a very simple and easy recipe, that is mushroom and broccoli curry. So let's see how to make this delicious curry in simple and easy way. For that, start to heat up a pan. Add 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil to it. When the oil gets heated up, add in half teaspoon of cumin seeds and let it splutter. Add 1 bay leaf. After the bay leaf goes in 1 black cardamom. Then goes in around 5 to 6 small pieces of cinnamon stick. Then around 5 to 6 cloves. Goes in 1 red chili, whole red chili I am adding. Just saute this for around 30 seconds. Goes in 2 green chilies, which I have just broken into 2 pieces. 1 tablespoon of grated ginger or ginger paste you can add in, and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Saute this till the raw aroma diminishes. Goes in 2 large onions, which I have thinly sliced. Now cook it till it just starts to turn golden in color. Spices, so herein I have 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, then half teaspoon of garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of coriander seeds powder. Add all the dry spices and saute for around 30 seconds. Then goes in tomato paste. This is from 2 medium size of tomatoes which I have grinded to make the paste. Add it, and now I'll cook it till it starts to leave oil from the sides. So along with the tomato, the vegetable will also get cooked nicely. I'll cover and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Add in salt to taste. Keep a check at regular intervals and keep on stirring it. So in this way the vegetable will get cooked evenly. The vegetable is almost done. I'll just again cook it for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes it is completely done. So now I'll add in water as per desired consistency. So herein goes around 200 ml of water. Mix it, and now again I'll simmer it on a low heat for 2 to 3 minutes. If you have liked this recipe, don't forget to like and share and subscribe for more such delicious recipes on Delicacies on the Plate.